There you go. All I did was change the color, guys. Change the color. Alright guys, good morning. Welcome. Another episode of Bass and Furious. We're out here looking for some big fish, guys. This is a morning like that you kind of dream of when it comes to fishing. So the goal today, guys, is to try to get 5 fish in a boat. Just trying to see if I can put together a 5 fish limit out here. Started throwing a swim bait to start, a big swim bait. Switched over to a wacky rig and a couple other things throughout the day. But the goal, like I said, just trying to looking for 5 fish. Let's get it. There you go, guys. Fish number 1. Finally, throwing a wacky rig Cinco. Didn't think he was hooked that good, but he actually was. I knew something was up here, just wasn't sure what, but fish number 1. Oh, jeez. Are you kidding me? Ooh. There you go. All I did was change the color, guys. Change the color. Did not get my net. Alright guys, we might start to put together a bag now. Get my net, man. That's just crazy. Here y'all go, boys. Got him. Let's go. He's off. Scale locked at 2.5. I was like, that spot looks way too good to not have a fish on it. And sure enough, it did have a fish on it. The only thing is, guys, like I said, I don't know if it's something. I don't know if it's that sucked. I don't know if it's if it was the color change that made the difference. I have no idea. I literally just changed from black to this pumpkin seed color with the dyed tail and end up getting a 2.5 pounder on my very first cast after doing it. So I'm gonna say color did make a difference, but I don't know, because I pitched up to that same spot with the black one and didn't get bit at all. So and I didn't make the best of the cast either. It still got bit. So I think it came off a piece of wood. Oh shoot, that was another. Another one, guys. Golly, I'm terrible with the net, but I can land the fish. Barely hooked, guys. Barely hooked. I almost got it hung up in the net. Net's terrible. We don't need those things. Okay, guys, second fish. Fished that tree several different ways, times, everything ridiculous. And then finally got bit off the side of it. Fish number 2. Weight on him. 112. 112 on that guy, guys. Let's go. Second one. Boy, that was nerve-wracking, to say the least. Alright, he's gone. 112. Alright, guys, so I'm at 2.5, 2.5, and 112 right now for my 2 fish. Still going. Haven't even hit the stretch I was trying to get to. And I pitched at that tree, guys. I pitched at that tree 3 different ways from Tuesday. Dang, that was terrible. Oh, that was... Dang it. I mean, I hooked him good, but geez, he took off like a crazy person. Where you at, Bass? Oh, okay, there you go. Oh, okay. Ah, dang. I think he's hooked good, but I don't want to. There y'all go. Got him. Finally, guys, caught a fish on camera. Bass hopped it over that tree 3 separate times. 4 separate times, maybe 5. I have no idea. Finally hopped out, like ripped it over there. What is up? Got him. Yes. Let me bring him up here and show y'all. Shake your head in the face. You guys can see that right there. Shake your head in the face. There y'all go. Okay. Weight locked at 111. 111 for him, guys. 111. Let's go. Gonna go ahead and let him go, guys. They're gonna shake your head in the deal. Pitching around these trees. Woo! Okay. Little man was angry at me. What was I saying? There you go, guys. Told you I know how to catch fish. Y'all ain't never seen me do it live, I don't think. Every time I get on there, I miss a fish like I just did, or something silly happened, or end up having to go. Not gonna retie, even though I did pitch over that wood. Wasn't bad. So there you have it. So I got a 111, a 2.5, and a 1.8 so far, and then a one that I lost. Patience, man. Patience is the key out here. Like, normally you make one 1 or 2 pitches at a piece of cover like this and roll. Alright, let me try it right over there. Oh, there you go. Alright. Got a decent cast in there. So guys, if you can't get bit on top water on a day like today, you're not gonna get bit on top water. So I think with this sun starting to come out, my bite's probably gonna turn on just a little bit here, and I should be able to get these next couple ones in the boat, possibly upgrade. So that is the plan. Doesn't feel very big, but it's a bite, so I need it. It's getting smaller. Now it's getting, whoa, got way bigger just now. Whoa. Holy cow, he's big. He's really good. Oh boy, this is the one I need right here. This is secure in the bag. No, don't go into there. Don't go into there. Oh boy. Where you at, little buddy? There you go. That's it right there, boys. That's it right there, boys. Number 4. Let's go. He was so good too. That's it right there, boy. I have to make it back to the ramp. Let's go. Number 4. Let's get a weight on him. He felt very small, and then he got really big and strong. Fat joker, 2 pounds. Gonna go ahead and let him go, and you guys can see. Very glad I retied, very glad I came back over to this spot. That's 4, guys. I need 1 more. 1 more for the limit. This guy go. And he's off. Yes. Oh, dang it. Oh, dang it. I threw the bottom of it. Okay. Go back and get the rod. That's it. That's it. Give me that. No. Oh, no. Why did I do that? Oh, so close. I saw it. Oh, man. Very good happy guys. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Wrapping up my day, trying to do it on the water here. Managed to catch my 5-fish limit. Every fish I caught came on a shaky head on my brand new rod. I literally just got this rod yesterday. Fate Black. Ain't even got the reel for it yet, but Fate Black, shaky head, pumpkin seed color, dyed tail. Every fish. Every keeper fish. I did catch one small fish on a Senko. Every keeper fish came on that. Missed a couple on the crankbait. Nothing on the frog. Nothing on the chatterbait. Nothing else. So had a great day guys. Ended up losing my rod in the water. Spent like 45 minutes trying to get it back. Ended up finally getting it back right after I caught my 5th fish. So altogether a great time. Had a good time out here. Just wanted to kind of come out and have some fun guys. But once again I almost lost my rod again guys. So part 2 of almost lost my rod. Gotta stop doing this because it wastes so much of my time from fishing. But it's all good. At least I lost it after catching fish number 5. Finishing out my limit, having a great day. If this had been a tournament, I'd be coming back to the weigh-in now, having a good time, and have a story to tell about my rod. So either way guys, I had a good time. Bass and Furious, my awkward hug. You guys are my friends. I look forward to talking to you guys again. Peace, peace.